Piny owacho ma kaunti ma Mandera oyango chenro mar chanjo mar tuo mar polio e sub-counties 9 ma kaunti no. Chanjo ma kamano geto jogo modak kendo kale tong' kadhi e pinje malibamba ma Ethiopia kod Somalia. Jochiw thieth ojiwo jodak e gwengego mondo mi oter nyithindo e chanjo e kinde ka kinde ma ok mana mar polio kende.
The purpose of our visit here is to ensure that all children under 5 years are vaccinated for the polio campaign. And our target, we have no specific target for the crossing point because children can be many here. However, in the normal static points on the Kenyan side, we have an average of 150 to 200. And for the crossing points, any can be there. But the target we give to the team is around 200. So we are glad that all the team have come here together. This is the most busy crossing point in both sides of Ethiopia and Kenya.
Hakikisheni mtoto akizaliwa ameweza kupata hizo chanjo zote ili tuweze kupigana na magonjwa haya yote kwa ujumla na sio ati tunapigana na ugonjwa mmoja peke yake. Kwa hivyo yangu ni kuwahimiza ya kwamba let us empower our children kwa kuwapa elimu na pia kuhakikisha wako na afya.